What up? It's your boy, Luke for Prez, back yet again with another video for you guys. Hope everyone's doing well. Today, what I want to talk about is why I believe you should be using the Beatstars Blaze Pro Player instead of the Beatstars Pro Page to sell beats online. If you don't know what either of those are, or if you have no idea what I'm talking about, let me break it down for you. Beatstars offers two primary ways of selling beats online outside of their own marketplace. The first one is called the Beatstars Pro Page. That is basically your own beat selling website that is completely designed and hosted within Beatstars itself. You can even attach a custom URL to it to make it unique to your brand. I have used the Beatstars Pro Page as my beat selling website since I started selling beats online. If you're just starting out, the Pro Page is a great way of getting a functional beat selling website online quickly and without the need for any big time web design skills at all. The problem with the Pro Page is that the templates are all very similar, the design options are limited, and the builder itself is a bit clunky. What I've noticed is a lot of the times, Pro Pages end up looking very similar to one another. Don't get me wrong, my Pro Page has served me well, and it works well enough to generate thousands of dollars a month selling beats. But I feel the second option that Beatstars offers is the superior one. And that second option is called the Beatstars Blaze Pro Player. It's basically a self-contained beat store that you can plug in to a website that you design on your own outside of Beatstars. After a long time of procrastination, I have finally made the switch from the Pro Page website to a fully customized WordPress website designed painstakingly by me from scratch that utilizes the Beatstars Blaze Pro Player. This Blaze Player allows me to create a website with WordPress that offers unlimited design options, endless plugin integrations, and improved organic SEO opportunities without sacrificing the great e-commerce platform that Beatstars has built. You can choose whatever web designer platform you want to build the custom website. Again, I used WordPress and I purchased the hosting for the site through GoDaddy. I paid $215 for a year's worth of hosting, and it also came with the SSL certificate. Feel free to shop around. There's a million different web providers out there. And you can obviously make your own decision based on price and design preference, whatever the case may be. WordPress is really complicated, and it took me a couple weeks to just sit down and learn how to do it while I was building the site. But the ability to control every aspect of the user experience on the site is definitely beneficial to your beat business in the long run. Additionally, my WordPress website provides me the ability to create top-notch blog posts that have the opportunity to organically rank on Google for competitive keywords in my niche like rap beats for sale. This is essentially impossible with the janky blog interface that is currently offered on the Beatstars Pro Page. Uploading beats to your Blaze Pro Player could not be simpler. There's nothing different about uploading beats to that than there is to uploading beats to the Pro Page. It's all the exact same process. You simply log into your Beatstars account, upload a beat like you normally would, and that beat will automatically appear on your Pro Page, on the Blaze Pro Player, and on your Beatstars profile feed. So really, it doesn't add any additional work, and that's just how it's laid out by default. So it goes everywhere at once. Customizing the look and feel of your Blaze Pro Customizing the look and feel of your Blaze Pro Customizing the look and feel of your Blaze Pro Player could not be simpler. You can find it under the My Media tab. Just click on Players. And then in a very similar way to how you customize your Pro page, you can make the colors match up with the design of your overall website and make it a seamless experience for the end user, so it doesn't look like a website just being iframed into another website. I like to think, at least on my current website, you can't even really tell that there's like an iframe situation happening. It's pretty seamless. So as long as you make the colors and just the overall design and branding consistent, it's gonna look great, and it works just as well as the Pro page in terms of people actually checking out and being able to purchase beats on it. So that's basically it. I just wanted to give a general overview of the difference between the two Beatstars options and why I think this Blaze Pro player is superior, because it allows you to go ahead and build a custom website from scratch, which opens up so many more possibilities. My new website has been live for about 2 weeks now, and I'm just starting to gather data on its performance versus the old Pro page's performance. That's something that I'll keep you guys updated with as time goes on, and I'll definitely make follow-up videos where I go into more specific detail about organic SEO and how important that is, and other benefits that having a custom website can provide with your beat business. I don't want you to think for a second that this is something that you necessarily need to do right out of the gate if you're just getting started with selling beats online. I've been selling beats online since about mid-2018, and I'm just now making the switch from the Pro page over to the website. It is a big endeavor to undertake. And like I said, you can definitely see great results with the Pro page, and it's a lot easier to just get that set up quickly and get it online. So nothing wrong with starting with that. But again, I'm always going to be transparent with you guys and share every step of the way on my journey, and wanted to let you know that I did go ahead and make the switch to a custom website. And so far, I know, like I said, it's really early, but I really like the results that I'm seeing. And just the overall design of the site, I think, is far superior to what I had going on previously with the Pro page. I think it just looks a lot more professional, and I love all the different plugin options that WordPress allows for. So that's basically where I'm at. That's all I got. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. I got more content on the way. And yep, I'm out. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.